Hi dance friends, welcome back. This is a dance called The Fall. It's choreographed by myself. It's 32 counts, 2 walls. It does have 2 tags and it has a restart. The music was sent to me by a lady called Anjanette from Denmark. Thank you so much. Amazing song. Let's go ahead and learn it. This is a full teach, so I'm going to go nice and slow. Leading with the right foot, you're going to do a right mambo forward. The count's going to be 1 and 2. As you step back on that right foot, you're going to sweep your left foot around. Step back on the left foot and sweep the right foot around. From here, you're going to do a behind side cross, but let's just try that from the top. So we do a right mambo, 1 and 2, 3. Behind side cross with the right foot. The count is 4. And as I cross my right foot over on 5, I'm actually going to unwind a 3/4 turn to the left. Weight's going to be on the left at the end, but then I'm going to step forward on my right foot. 5, 6, that is count 7. What did we do? We did our 2 sweeps. That was weights on the left. Do a behind side cross, 4 and cross 5, turn 6, step forward on your right foot, 7. Let's try those first 7 counts. From the beginning, right mambo forward, this is the fall. Mambo on the right goes 1 and sweep 2, 3, behind 4 and cross 5, turn 6, step forward 7. From here, I'm going to make just under a full turn to the right. So I'm going to make a half turn stepping back on the left foot, kind of a 1/4 turn stepping the right foot to the side, and then just another 1/8 of a turn, and I'm going to go into a rock step. So I'm going to end facing the diagonal. What I did there was I had my cross and wind, step forward, I'm traveling towards 3 o'clock, turn, and I'm rocking onto the diagonal next. Okay, the count for that was 5, 6, 7, I'm turning 8 and rocking forward on that left foot. Let's do this next little section. We're rocking forward on the left foot, 1, recover and. Rock the left foot to the side, 2, recover and. Rock back onto the left foot, 3. No recover yet. So I'm going rock and back. That is on the diagonal. Let's try it from the beginning. Right mambo forward. Ready? 7, 8. Mambo, 1 and swing, 2, 3. Behind 4 and cross 5, 6, step forward 7, turn 8 and rock. 1 and 2 and 3. So I'm facing this front diagonal at 1:30. I'm going to make a half turn to the right now. I'm going to transfer the weight onto that right foot, 4, make a half turn to the left, stepping back on the left foot, and then I'm going to step back on my right foot. So I'm facing 7:30, my back diagonal. As I step back on the right foot, I'm going to overturn this. I'm going to touch my left toe next to right, and I'm looking back to this front diagonal, just kind of snapping my fingers and sending all of my body to the right. Let me try to say this all again in English. You're facing the diagonal. We have a forward rock, 1 and 2 and 3. Now I'm turning to the right, 4 and I'm stepping back on 5, overturn it, touching the left toe next to right, touch on 6. From here, I'm going to run around to end facing 3 o'clock, stepping left, right, left. So I'm going to step left, right, left. And as I step on that left foot, I'm going to sweep my right foot around. Fantastic. Let's try that little section again. Rocking forward on the left foot, facing the diagonal. The count is 1 and side rock 2 and rock back 3. Turning 4 and step back 5. Touch 6, run 7 and 8. And I'm facing 3 o'clock. Did you get that? Let's try it from the top. Here we go. Right mambo forward. 7, 8. Mambo 1 and 2, 3. Behind 4 and cross 5. 6, step forward 7, 8 and rock. 1 and 2 and 3. Turn 4 and 5. Touch 6, run 7 and 8. Let's go on from here. We're going to do a diamond. I'm going to cross my right foot. Well, almost a diamond. Cross my right foot over 1. Step the left foot to the left side and make an 1/8 of a turn to the right, stepping back on the right foot, 2. Now I'm going to step back on that left foot, 3. Make an 1/8 of a turn, stepping the right foot to the side, and then I'm going to make another 1/8 of a turn to the right, and I'm going to step forward on my left foot, but it's going to be a lock step. So I'm going to do left, lock, left. Okay, so we came out of the run around. This was 7 and sweep 8. We started a diamond, cross side, back, backside lock step. So the right foot crosses 1 and back 2, left foot back 3 and lock 4 and 5. You should be facing the back diagonal at 7:30. Let's try this again. Diamond with the right foot, we do 1 and 2, back 3 and 4 and 5. When I step onto that left foot 5, I'm going to hitch my right knee. So I'm going to hitch that right knee up, and then again, it's a little bit like a jazz box. I'm going to cross that right foot over, make an eighth of a turn, stepping back on the left, and then step the right to the side, cross my left foot over, and ended facing 9 o'clock. What that was, you were facing the back diagonal, weights on your right, do a left lock step, 4 and hitch 5, cross 6, back 7 and 8. Now I normally do styling at the end, but let's just talk about this. I don't want this to be a hitch, cross, back, side, cross. I do have some movement on that left foot, so I'm going left lock. I am kind of over rotating it, okay, so I am still facing this way, but I've turned on that left foot, really overturned the cross, and then squaring up this way. Let's try those 8-ish counts. You're facing 3 o'clock, weights on the left. We're going to do a diamond. Cross, side, back, side, left, lock, hitch, cross, back, side, cross. We've got 8 counts left. Let me finish the dance. I know those 8 counts were a lot. Rewind if you need to. Let's try from the top. The fall. Right mambo. 1 and sweep, 2, 3. Behind 4. Cross and wind. 5, 6. Step forward. 7. Turning. 8 and rocking. 1 and 2 and 3. 4 and back 5, touch 6, run 7 and diamond. Cross, side, back, side, left, lock, hitch, cross, back, side, cross. How did you do? Good so far? Rewind if you need to do that again. I'm going to move on. We've got 2 basic nightclubs. Big step to the right side, 1, closing that left foot, 2, crossing and, staying with the left foot now, 3, 4 and. Now we have a lunge. I'm going to step the right foot to the right side, bending the knee, and again I'm rotating my upper body to the right, 5, quarter turn to the left, 6, a full turn now, a half turn to the left, stepping back on the right for 7, and another half turn, stepping forward on the left for 8. That's the end of the dance, yay! Okay, so the last 8 counts, 2 basics, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and lunge, 5, turn, 6, half, 7, half, 8, begin the dance again, mambo, sweep. Excellent. Let's try from the top. You've learnt the dance. Like I said, there are 2 tags. Here we go, right mambo, 7 and mambo, 1 and 2, 3, behind 4, turn, 5, 6, step forward, 7, 8 and rock, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and back, 5, touch, 6, run, 7 and diamond, 1 and 2, back, 3 and lock, 4, hitching 5, crossing 6, back, 7 and 8, basic slow, quick, slow, quick, lunge, quarter, half, half. That's it. You're facing the back, ready to start again. Let's talk about the tag. The very first tag is at the end of the first wall. You're going to do 2 walks forward. 1, 2, and then you will start the dance again, mambo. Okay? Just put that in your memory bank. We'll come back to it in a second. Facing the back of the room, right mambo forward from the top. 7, 8, mambo 1 and sweep 2, 3, behind 4, cross and wind 5, 6, step forward 7, 8 diagonal, 1 and 2 and 3, turn to the right, 4 and back 5, touch 6, run 7 and 8, diamond 1 and 2, back 3 and lock, 4 and hitch 5, cross 6, back 7 and 2 basics, slow, quick, slow, quick lunge, 5, turn 6, 7, 8, begin, mambo, sweep. How's the back wall? Yes, no, maybe? Let's do it again facing the back since we've not had a lot of time then. Here we go, right mambo forward, 7, 8, mambo 1 and 2, 3, behind 4, cross and wind, 5, 6, step forward 7, 8 and rocking, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, tap 6, 7 and 8, diamond 1 and 2, back 3 and lock 4, hitching 5, crossing 6, back 7, 2, basic, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, start, again, number 1 and 2, 3, behind 4, turn 5, 6, step forward 7, 8 and rock, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, tap 6, run 7 and diamond, 1 and 2, 3 and lock, 4, hitching 5, crossing 6, back 7, 2, basics, 1, 2 and 3, 4, lunge 5, 6, start, again, number 1 and 2. I think you've got it, haven't you? Yeah? Rewind if you need to. Let's talk about those tags and restart. At the end of the first wall, as I said, and finish the dance, and you do 2 walks. Walk, walk. Begin the dance again. 2 count tag at the end of the first wall. At the end of the second wall, so straight away, lunge, turn, turn, turn. You have an 8 count tag. Mambo and walks. We do a mambo with the right foot, 2 walks back, left, right, a left coaster step, and 2 walks forward, right, left. And then you begin the dance again. 1 and 2, 3. Okay, so at the end of the first wall, your tag is 2 walks. At the end of the second wall, it's 1 and 2, walk 3, 4, coaster 5 and 6, walk 7, 8, begin the dance again. Then the fifth wall. Okay, so we've got wall 3, wall 4. The fifth wall begins facing this way. You're going to restart after what? After this, after the step touch, so that oversway of your shoulder, you're going to run, 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 but you're going to run to the front. Run, 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 and you're going to restart the dance there. That's an instrumental section in the music, the beginning of wall 5, kind of an instrumental section. It begins facing this way. You have a restart after 16 counts. 7, 8, rocking 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, run to the front, 7 and restart, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. And that's it. The dance ends facing the front, right at the very end. You'll be here. That's it. That is the full. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, do that anyway. It really helps my channel. Come try out some music. The link is in the description below. And I look forward to dancing it with you. Bye.